Follow these steps to program your machine to accept tokens. Open the machine and pull out the coin mechanism using the black tab. Press B and mode simultaneously until the yellow light flashes. Next, place a token in the coin mechanism 10 times until the yellow light is solid. Now, press the Service Mode button on your control board. On the keypad, press 5 twice, then press 1. Now press 3 to set all the selections to accept a token. Make sure all items are on. Press pound to save. Press 4. Now enter the value of the token. Set the token value to the highest price item in the machine. Press pound to access the price value. Now key in the price value for the token. Press pound to save. Press star to back out of service mode. Test these updates with a token.